If you need any help getting started on your weight loss journey, check out my free weight loss cheat sheet. The link is below. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 super easy breakfast recipes that you can make in under 5 minutes. They're great for anyone who just has a lot of stuff going on this holiday season and you don't have time to make breakfast, or maybe you're somebody who's just always on the go. These recipes are super simple and healthy. Another exciting thing is that me and my husband Derek,
hi,
just started a vlog channel. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you'll know that me and my husband used to have a daily vlog channel, which we vlogged on for almost a year every single day, and then that channel turned into my husband's channel. We recently just have been like, we really want to get back into vlogging, and we want to share our journey of like starting a family and all that kind of stuff with you guys. So we're going to be doing that on our other channel, which I will link below. I just did a video that I've wanted to do for a really long time on that channel, which is the first video, and that is pranking my husband and telling him that I'm not vegan anymore and that I don't want to be vegan anymore. And it's just something I've always wanted to do, just to see his reaction, because obviously when we met and we got married, we were both vegan, and I was always like, I wonder what he would say if I just said I don't want to be vegan anymore. So if you want to see his reaction, which is hilarious, I will leave the link to that in the description box. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, do all that kind of stuff, and you guys will see us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on that channel. So that's all I have to say for right now. Let's get into the recipes. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients, instructions, everything down for you guys in the description box, so that it's really easy if you want to remake these. Let's go. This sweet potato breakfast bowl is something I have recently become very obsessed with. I always have leftover sweet potatoes that I pre-cooked in my fridge. So you're gonna need 1 cold, large sweet potato, and you just wanna mash this into a very good mash so that it's it resembles to me like an oatmeal, a cold oatmeal, but it's with potatoes, so it's really sweet. And then I just like to top this with a bunch of different things. So what I typically put on here is some dried cranberries. You could put fresh fruit on here if you wanted, or any other kind of dried fruit that you like raisins or anything like that. And then I usually put some type of granola on here. You could put any kind of seeds, you could just put oats on here. And what I like to serve this with is a side of coconut yogurt. If you don't have coconut yogurt, what you can do is you can mix together some tahini, which is also really good on here, and just put a little bit of maple syrup in it and just top it with cinnamon. And this is a very delicious breakfast that's literally ready in 1 minute. This next breakfast I like to call my banana burrito. So all you do is you take a lavash bread. I get these from Trader Joe's. I've seen them at Walmart too. And then what you want to do is just add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter to the one side. You could also use PB2 if you wanted to, or almond butter, whatever you like to use. We're just going to spread that on 1/2 of the lavash bread. And then on the other half, we're going to be putting some jam on here. I actually made this jam just by putting like fresh raspberries and some chia seeds and some dates into my Vitamix, and I blended it together. And I didn't know that it was that easy to make jam, like a raw jam, but it was pretty simple. So then we're just going to be taking a banana and cutting it in half lengthwise and putting that on the far side of the lavash bread, and then just rolling it up like a burrito. So you can just keep this like this and just put it in tinfoil and bring it with you to work if you're on the go, or you can cut it into little pinwheels if you have kids. This is a really great breakfast that they will love eating. And then I just like to have everything with a side of fresh fruit, so I just have some orange slices here. If you've never made your own cereal, get on it, because it's super simple, it's really cheap, and you can customize it to put whatever you want in it. So how I like to start this to add some natural sweetness is add 1 chopped apple into here. You just want to finely chop it into little bits so that when you scoop it, you get nice little chunks in every scoop. Then what I like to do is add a cup of puffed quinoa and about 1/2 cup of rolled oats to this. If you don't have puffed quinoa, you can use any other kind of grain that you like. You could use puffed rice, and that would work totally fine as well. Once we've added those 2 ingredients, we're just going to mix it together a little bit. I didn't add any vanilla or cinnamon into this, but you could add, a different kind of flavoring into it. And then I just like to add whatever I kind of am craving at the moment. So I put coconut flakes on top, a few chopped raw cashews, we got some hemp seeds and some sunflower seeds. And then we're just going to put our favorite plant milk in here and eat it up like a cereal. It's really delicious. It's super simple to make. If you have kids, they can eat cereal, and then this is a very healthy alternative. You could also add different things into this and just customize it to however you like it. The last breakfast that I eat so often, and it's almost embarrassing because I eat this all the time, is an avocado bagel. So you can either toast your bagel or not toast your bagel. I like to toast it, but you do you. And then what we're gonna do is just use half of an avocado and smash that into the bagel. Seriously guys, if you are still using cream cheese or butter or margarine on your bagels, not saying anything is wrong with those, but avocado has the same consistency as butter, and it has so many healthy fats in it and vitamins and minerals. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. You will love it. So once we've smashed our avocado into our bagel, I just like to add a little bit of hummus. I usually use the Trader Joe's eggplant hummus if I don't have any homemade hummus on hand. If you need a really good hummus recipe, I will leave the link for my homemade hummus down below. It's seriously the best hummus you are ever going to try. And just because this was an everything bagel, I'm just going to add a little bit of the Trader Joe's everything bagel seasoning on top. And then all I had on hand to put on this was tomatoes. So I just put a few thinly sliced tomatoes on here, but sometimes I like to add onions or sprouts. I always add lettuce to this as well. So you can really customize this to add whatever vegetables you like. You could add sauteed mushrooms or sauerkraut would be really good as well. We're just going to cut this in half and then serve it again with another side of fresh fruit. And there's another super easy on-the-go breakfast. I hope this video gave you guys some healthy ideas for quick breakfasts. Like I said, all the recipes, ingredients, everything will be in the description box for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!